Hi there guys, in this video I'm going to talk about 5 different ways you can leverage social media to get a job as a junior developer. So let's get straight into it. These are going to be my top 5 tips. So the first tip is use LinkedIn, but not in the way that you're thinking. You should not look at LinkedIn as a job board. Please do not use LinkedIn as a job board. What you should do is you should connect with people, especially people that are in companies you want to work for. Start a relationship with them, start talking to them, start finding things that they're interested in, get different ideas from them. And then after you've done that, give them some of the projects that you're working in. When you do that, because a lot of you guys tend to ask me for referrals, where can you get referrals? Where this is a much better way of actually getting a referral, because these people will start becoming advocates for you whenever it's time for you to get a job, right? So when there's a position open, this is a bit of a long game. Whenever there's a position open in their company, they will be an advocate for you because they've seen your projects, they've seen your work, and they will be more willing to advertise you to their employers. So go on LinkedIn, try to make some friends that are in companies, and try to actually talk to them about your projects and show them what you're doing and your journey. And I promise they will become advocates for you and you won't have to worry about getting a job. That's my top tip. Another great tip is to use Twitter. Very, very, very similar to LinkedIn. But the cool thing about Twitter is that you can post a tweet and hundreds of people will see it. You can get engagement, you can get likes, you can get followers, you can follow up on people who like your stuff on Twitter, talk to them in the DMs, keep going on from there. Twitter is a very professional developer space. There's a lot of developers on Twitter. Very similar strategy when we talk about LinkedIn. Talk to them, show them some of the projects that you're working in. Mostly when I've had interactions with developers on Twitter, they're usually very interested to see what I'm working on. Another great place, a social media platform that you may not realize is a social media platform, is GitHub. Yes, GitHub. GitHub is one of the most important places you can go to show the world that you're a great developer. So I have specifically gotten advice from recruiters from Google who say that they look for candidates who specifically contribute on GitHub projects. So if there are any projects out there that you use like Vue.js, React.js, please try to contribute. Contributing isn't as hard as you think. Just try to fix any typo, any bugs, and that will put you miles ahead of the rest of your competition. Also, join in GitHub's communities. Try to contribute to other people's projects, people who are less qualified than yourself, people who aren't the best coders. Try to contribute to as many projects as you can on GitHub. This will make you look like a far more impressive developer when you go for your job. So when you apply for your job and you have it on your CV that you've contributed to a lot of small projects or you've contributed to React, you look like a much better developer than everyone else who's applied for that same job. So another great place, I used to work with someone, my boss, he used to love people who contributed to Stack Overflow. Another unexpected social media platform, right? This is where developers post questions and you get answers. And at the moment, there's a lot of toxicity on Stack Overflow. However, the important thing is you just go there and you answer people's different questions and queries. I've answered some questions on Stack Overflow myself. It is quite hard if you're a beginner to answer questions. So this would not be my biggest tip, but I still recommend that you have a read, you have a look around, and you see where you can help. There is a key theme. It's helping people. You want to try to help as many people as you can. You want to be friendly. You want to get to know people. You just want to show people the good things about you, because when you come across on social media or when you apply for a job, it's like sell, 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 sell. No one wants to hear that. We want to hear your story, who you are. You need to be patient. It takes a long time to become a software engineer, and part of the process of doing that is making friends. But without further ado, my final and best tip is to make YouTube videos or personal blog. There is nothing like a YouTube video because you have to go into depths on a topic. I have a few YouTube videos here about where I look at, for example, Angular unit tests. that would be something perfect to show an employer, because that's a question an employer is going to have. If I hire you, are you going to be able to do X? Are you going to be able to unit test? Are you going to be able to use React? If you have a video showing that you are able to do the things that the employer is going to want you to do, it will make a huge difference. Same with personal blogs. I have a lot of personal blogs out there about different techs and different technologies. Please write personal blogs and display videos. It is such a good idea. Those have been my top 5 tips to use social media to leverage to get your first junior developer job. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you like videos like this, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. I will be working on videos like this more often. Remember what I said: LinkedIn, Twitter, GitHub, Stack Overflow, videos, and blogs. Okay? Leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a nice day.